Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see mashed yam curry. The yam used here is elephant yam and you need half a kg of this. Clean the yam and transfer them into the pressure cooker. Add water until it gets completely immersed. Close this and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. This is ready. Once it cools down, you can remove the skin. Now let us mash them. This will be very soft, you can use your hand to mash them. The mashed yam is ready, set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this add 10 to 15 chopped shallots or half an onion, 1 green chili, few curry leaves, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, around 4 chopped garlic cloves. Give this a nice saute. The shallots has to turn translucent. Once the shallots are translucent, you can add 2 chopped tomatoes. To this add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Give everything a nice saute for about 1 or 2 minutes and then close this and cook for few minutes. So here the tomatoes are ready now, it got mashed well. To this let us add a teaspoon of sambar powder, and if you don't have sambar powder, go for coriander powder. Now let us add the mashed yam. Give a nice mix. Cook this in medium flame for another 5 minutes. So here the curried mashed yam is ready. Now let us transfer this into a bowl. This will taste so good for rice and rotis. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.